How to use futures volume to confirm direction traders. Welcome. Price tells you what is happening, but volume tells you how and why. For futures markets, volume is the definitive tool for confirming if a breakout or trend has real conviction. Let's break down how to use it. 1. The core principle. Volume confirms price. A price move on high volume shows strong participation and commitment. A move on low volume is suspect, likely to reverse. This is your first filter for any trade. 2. Key volume signals to watch for breakout. Confirmation. When price breaks above resistance or below support, the breakout bar must have above average volume. Low volume equals high chance of a false breakout and a pullback. Trend validation. In a healthy uptrend, volume should expand on up days and contract slightly on down days, pullbacks. The opposite is true for downtrends. If this pattern breaks, the trend is weakening. Climax/exhaustion. An extremely high volume spike after a long trend, especially with a wide range candle, like a big bullish or bearish bar, can signal a final burst of emotion and a potential reversal point. Look for a reversal candlestick pattern the next day. 3. How to apply this, step by step. Set your charts. On your FXCM platform, apply volume, usually a histogram, below your price chart. Use the daily or 4-hour chart for reliable signals. Define average. Visually note the recent average volume level. Many platforms have a moving average line on the volume indicator. Use it as a reference. Wait for the signal. Before entering a trade on a price signal, like a breakout, check the volume on that specific candle. If volume is weak, do not enter. Wait for a higher volume confirmation. 4. The power of divergence. Sometimes price makes a new high, but volume is lower than on the previous high. This is a bearish volume divergence, warning that the move lacks fuel and a reversal is likely. The opposite, higher volume on a lower price low, can signal a selling climax and a potential bottom. Never trade price alone. Use futures volume as your lie detector for market moves. Filter every setup through this lens on the FXCM platform to dramatically improve your win rate. Thanks for watching.